What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I've posted, and it's just because I had some things doing and I was working on this build right now, which is my Tamiya M05 drag car that I had for a while now. But I just decided to take it up and, add something new to it, fresh it up a little bit and get it looking different. So what I did is did a DIY custom wide body enhancement to the original body that I got with the chassis. So as you can see, it is way wider now than what it used to be. See? So I also got some foam tires which were just as wide, or you could say meet the criteria for the width of the front part. So now this is what it is, and trust me, it looks sick. I also got some stickers done, nothing fancy, I just got it done just because. So I just decided to take up back this car and give it a fresh little look. Did some spring changes at the back, you can see it good. Forgive me for the poor lighting, because as you guys can see, I'm not in my original location. There you go, get some focus. I'm not in my original location, so I just wanted to really show you guys the update with this. And trust me, even though it doesn't look perfect as if it was like from factory, it is definitely a welcome change from what it was before. It gives it no more mean drag stance, and for aerodynamics it's excellent, trust me, because I took it out today. Even though we have been getting a lot of snow here in Canada, I took it out and did some pulls on it, and I'm telling you, this thing is going. And the things that with the aerodynamics part of it now, it also helped the car to be a little bit more stable. And as I said, these tires that I'm running is just some old tires that I had lying around that got, could say, eaten up from the Tamiya TTO2 that I featured on this channel a few weeks back. So yeah, this is it. Have some top secret stuff going on inside that I'm not gonna really share, because I'm telling you, this car is, I could say, it means a lot to me, because I had it for a good while and I did so many things to it, and I'm learning a lot of things about it that I didn't know about it before. And trust me, these cars are good for drag cars. I don't know why people don't use them regular. They're kind of small, but it is what it is. But like, share, and subscribe, and looking for some more content in the new year. And Merry Christmas when it comes. And I'm telling you guys, stay tuned for more. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and turn on the post notification bell. And if you're new, welcome. And stay tuned for more on this car. I'm gonna be doing some record pulls with this car, and also racing some, you could say, slashes with this. We'll see. Much more to come. As you say, again, sorry for the absence. And yeah, rushing as usual. But here it is. Upgraded, faster, everything there is. So stay tuned, guys.